Namaste everyone, welcome to Interior Design by Sandipa Tamang. Christmas is here and New Year 2026 is just around the corner. Today I'll share simple Christmas styling ideas and easy DIY New Year decor tips to make your home feel cozy, calm and full of positive energy. Let's begin. Christmas interior styling points. Number 1. Choose a decor theme. Selecting one theme before decorating helps your home look organized, balanced and visually pleasing instead of cluttered. Number 2. Classic red and green theme. This traditional color combination creates a joyful, warm and festive Christmas atmosphere. Number 3. Gold luxury theme. Gold ornaments and metallic accents adds elegance and give your space a premium festive feel. Number 4. Winter white theme. White decor with soft light creates a calm, cozy and peaceful winter-inspired interior. Number 5. Minimal Scandinavian theme. Neutral colors, wooden textures and greenery make your home look clean, modern and cozy. Number 6. Rustic natural theme. Using pine cones, jute, wood and earthy elements bring a warm, homely and natural Christmas vibe. Number 7. Blush pink and rose gold theme. Soft pink tones and rose gold accents add a trendy, gentle and stylish festive touch. Number 8. Greenery and nature theme. Plants and natural elements refresh your space and create a calm, nature-inspired Christmas look. Easy DIY tips, New Year styling ideas. Number 9. DIY candle holders. Candles in jars or glass holders creates warmth and a relaxing glow for New Year's evening. Number 10. Add indoor plants. Indoor plants symbolize growth, positivity and a fresh start for the new year. Number 11. Create a mini photo wall. A small collage of memories adds personal emotion and meaning to your home decor. Number 12. Rearrange furniture. Changing furniture placement refreshes your space and improves energy flow without spending money. Number 13. DIY table centerpiece. Using simple items like books, flowers or candles create an elegant focal point for your table. Number 14. Add New Year quote frames. Positive quotes uplift your mood and set intentions for the year ahead. Number 15. Use soft textiles. New cushions, throws or rugs add comfort, warmth and a fresh seasonal look. And lastly, number 16. Declutter and reset. Removing unnecessary items makes your home feel lighter, calmer and ready for New Year. Final styling thought. Simple changes can completely transform your home. With thoughtful decor and small DIY ideas, you can welcome Christmas warmth and New Year positivity into your space beautifully. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe to Interior Design by Sandipa Tamang. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2026. See you in the next video. Bye.